Well, we found our camping spot on the island. It's pretty perfect. This was just us exploring, and it's a pretty fantastic spot that we found. So we're just getting set up here, and tomorrow we're going to be hiking all day and eating some delicious food. We got a camp. Well, we've got a fire pit here that we may or may not light up, but yeah, we're just getting ready to have some supper. So
I'm making smoked turkey tacos tonight.
Smoked turkey tacos.
Smoked turkey leg tacos.
Nice. This is our sleeping quarters for the evening. We bought some really warm sleeping bags that we were able to zip together, and yeah, looks pretty comfy. Got some mattresses. Should be good. And thank goodness the weather cleared up for us. So, cool. What we got here?
Tortillas.
Tortillas and
Locally made.
what's in here?
And here we've got some smoked turkey with mushrooms and local garlic.
Get your light on there.
So
Yeah. Nice. Got some wine.
yeah.
I
And some
have some.
habanero mango salsa that I always like to just get the that organic broccoli slaw with like kale. And I just mix in a little bit of mayo and camping tacos.
Yeah, this is going to be good.